Matapos ang mahigit isang dekadang negosasyon, nagkasundo na ang Finance Department at isang grupo ng mga katutubo patungkol sa matatanggap nilang royalty sa pagmimina. Narito ang agenda report ni Soo Jin Kim.
Isa ang Pilipinas sa mga bansang may pinakamalawak na deposito ng mineral sa buong mundo na may halos 200 mining sites. Mula 2013 hanggang 2022, umabot na sa mahigit 100 billion pesos ang naipamahaging royalties sa mga katutubong communities. Ngunit may hinalang hindi ito ang tunay na halaga dahil sa kakulangan ng datos at monitoring. Sa ilalim ng newly signed MOU, titiyakin ng gobyerno na ang bilyong-bilyong piso mula sa pagmimina ay napupunta sa tamang mga kamay at hindi lamang sa interes ng malalaking korporasyon.
The government continues to refine the mining fiscal regime, aiming to create a system that balances the interests of all stakeholders while ensuring that resource revenues contribute to national and local development.
For decades, extractive industries have played a critical role in our national economy, contributing to government revenues and economic growth. However, we also recognize the social, environmental, and economic challenges that these industries pose.
Habang ang pagmimina ay nagbibigay ng trabaho sa mga Pilipino at revenues para sa gobyerno, malalim din ang epekto nito sa kalikasan at sa indigenous communities.
The extraction of minerals, oil, gas, and coal takes place in specific areas, often within ancestral domains. While these activities generate revenues, such as royalties and taxes, there remain challenges in tracking how these funds are allocated and utilized. Strengthening data sharing and monitoring mechanisms will help ensure that indigenous communities have better access to information.
The extractive industries, which draw heavily on the resources within our ancestral domains, have often operated without full regard for the rightful claims of these communities, have left many indigenous peoples with little recourse and insufficient information about the payments made by extractive companies for the use of their lands.
Sa mas mahigpit na data sharing system, masusuri kung tugma ang deklarasyon ng mga kumpanya sa aktwal na natatanggap ng mga indigenous groups. Ayon sa mga eksperto, ang new system of transparency ay makakabuti sa foreign investment sa bansa dahil pinabubuti nito ang imahe ng Pilipinas bilang isang responsible mining destination.
We expect for it to give confidence to our foreign investors because when foreign investors when they go into a country, they look also at the governance structures. They're confident that there is proper reporting from the part of government, industry, and civil society.
For investors looking at the Philippines, Philippines is out there. We're ready, for more mining investment in the country. This is definitely a game changer, a positive step, to investing and to welcoming foreign investment in the country.
Maraming katutubo ang walang akses sa tamang impormasyon, kaya hindi nila natutukoy kung natatanggap nila ang nararapat sa kanila. Sa ilalim ng kasunduang ito, hindi na lamang tagamasid ang mga katutubo. Nabibigyan sila ng kakayahan na masuri at mapaglaban ang patas na kita mula sa pagmimina. Para sa agenda, Soo Jin Kim, Billionaire News Channel.